Hello. The Republic of Lithuania, clil 19. It is situated in northern Europe on the edge of the North European plain. It lies east of Sweden and Denmark. It borders Latvia in the north, Poland to the south, Belarus in the east, and the Russian exclave of Kaliningrad Oblast in the southwest. The population is about 2.8 million. The official language is Lithuanian, one of two Baltic languages still spoken today. The largest city and capital city is Vilnius. The second largest city is Kaunas. The climate. It ranges between maritime and continental and is relatively mild. Lithuania has a well-developed modern infrastructure of railways, airports and four-lane motorways. Sports. Basketball is the national sport of Lithuania. The coast. Lithuania has a coastline of over 260 kilometers. The Curonian Spit Coast. The Curonian Spit Coast stretches from the Sambian Peninsula in the south to the northern tip by the narrow strait. The warm water port of Klaipėda lies across from the spit. The northern 52 kilometers of the Curonian Spit Peninsula is part of Lithuania. The rest belongs to the exclave of Kaliningrad Oblast. The maximum width of the spit is 3.5 kilometers. The Curonian Spit was formed around 3000 BC. Its foundation was a glacial moraine. The sea currents brought sand to keep the formation above sea level. Klaipėda lies at the narrow mouth of the Curonian Lagoon. The Curonian Lagoon is a shallow lagoon separated from the sea by the Curonian Spit. A national park was established here because of the sand dunes. The landscape. Lithuania is flat except for the Morenic hills in the west and east. There are numerous small lakes and swamps. A mixed forest of pine, spruce and birch covers roughly 1/3 of the country. The forests are rich in mushrooms and berries. The highest elevation is just under 300 meters, and it is in the eastern part of the country. The fertile plains are found in the southwestern and central regions. The uplands are found in the western region of Samogitia. Here is the beach in Samogitia. Natural hazards. Hurricane-force storms, blizzards, droughts and floods. Primary natural resources are limestone, clay, gravel, sand, iron ore deposits are found, granite, amber, peat, thermal energy to be exploited, deposits of petroleum and mineral water. Exports. Mineral products, foodstuffs, bituminous substances, machinery and mechanical appliances, electrical equipment, and chemicals. Lithuania's main export partners are Russia, Latvia, Germany, and Poland. Bye-bye.